What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
Linguistics.
Yeah.
You know the theory of music. You're
Yeah.
a musician.
Yeah.
I mean, I want this show to be different than the other show.
Musically, and sort of manifesting that externally, bringing that to life. It brings
reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal.
Our primary focus is bipolar, and we're going to take a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder.
Let's have a YouTube.
You know, I want this show to be about teaching Jimmy. You know, maybe that's the game.
around linguistics, because computational linguistics is centered around machines of
Literary devices, figurative and rhetorical devices. I mean, when you play a note, on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency?
a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis.